Before running the experiment, connect the USB microphone to the Wi-Fi. After connecting the microphone, run the experiment. Now speak for 3 seconds. If you connect a speaker to the Wi-Fi, the audio will be played at different sampling rates. Using FileZilla, transfer the files from Wi-Fi to your computer. You can observe from the spectrogram that the audio contains frequency contents up to 8 kHz. But most of the energy is concentrated within 4 kHz. When you play the audio files, you can understand the effect of different sampling rates on the audio quality. When the sampling frequency is above 10 kHz, then only we can hear clear audio.